Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll be planting some Christmas potatoes. These three, the writing's already washed off these, but these are Sharpies Express, and planted these up the other day. And today I'm going to plant up another three with rocket potatoes. Right then guys, so these are my own saved seed. These are rocket seed potatoes. You can see just starting to show chits on them now. And I've had these out in the garage for a couple of weeks, or since harvesting, and I'm going to be planting these up now, and hopefully we should get a crop just before Christmas. So just going to be using 30-litre containers, same as before. We're using old spent potato compost for this. I'm just going to add some fertilisers into that, replenish it. Right, so we filled the bottom third of the pot, and firstly I'm just going to add some potato fertiliser, a couple of handfuls of that, use up the rest of this. Some fish blood and bone, good generous handful of that. As Jason says, back the truck up, add a bit more. And then lastly, just going to add a couple of handfuls of chicken manure pellets. Don't really want too much of these. It's not really the nitrogen that we're after for potatoes. Right, so there we have it, all mixed up in the bottom, and I'm just going to put 2 seed potatoes, the umbilical pointed down, that part pointing down, so the chits pointing up, 2 right alongside the handles, like so, and fill the pot halfway to the top. And I'm just going to add another handful of fish blood and bone, and another handful of potato fertiliser. That quick mix again. Some sort of grub or maggot. Birds can have that. And then I'm just going to add another 2 seed potatoes. Again, umbilical, the bottom, and just see a couple of chits there starting. And with these ones, just got opposites to the handles, like so. And top the pot up the rest of the way. Just like that. And like I say, we've got a good 15-16 weeks until Christmas. These usually take 12 to 14 weeks. So should have a nice crop of potatoes for Christmas. I'll just do exactly the same with this one. Couple of handfuls of each. And if you haven't already guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. Doesn't cost you anything, and really helps out the algorithm and to help show my content to people who actually want to watch it. And once again, almost at 500 subscribers, but not quite there yet. Don't know if you noticed, but testing out a new microphone. So let me know in the comments if there's any difference in the quality of the sound. But the last 3 videos that I'd recorded, I forgot to turn the microphone on, so there wasn't much sound on that. So I was a bit disappointed about them. But 3 videos were one of me planting the Sharpie Express potatoes, did 3 buckets of them, exactly as I'm doing now. Another one was harvesting the single piece of potato peel that we planted. I did quite well with that. Got 9 decent sized potatoes in return, and can't remember what the weight was. It was 1.2 kilos, but I'll add a picture at the end of this video, or a short clip of me weighing them up or whatever. And the third video, which was the one that I was looking forward to most, was harvesting the potatoes from the compost bin. But again, they didn't do as well as I thought they were going to. There was a lot of them that had been eaten, attacked by rodents or slugs or whichever. But we still got nearly 6.5 kilos from one compost bay. So that was definitely worth doing, and I'll definitely be doing it again next year. But again, I'll put a photograph of the harvest from that at the end of this video. Like I say, I'm not going to release the videos because I wasn't happy with them, and I don't really fancy doing a voiceover over the whole video. But I will add some photos or a couple of short clips at the end of this video for you, and hopefully this one comes out okay. That's come out of that pot. That must be one of the condors. Not very big, but they did not grow very well. I do have 2 buckets over there with the condors from Dean, and they seem to be doing okay. But all the ones from Steve over at Digwell Greenfingers, they don't seem to have grown much at all. Right then guys, so that's 3 buckets of Rocket first early potatoes, and I'm going to use them as Christmas potatoes. Oh, just added lead fish and bone, chicken manure pellets, and some potato fertiliser. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and drop me a comment. Bye for now. Right then guys, so that's them in their place for now. we've got 3 buckets of Rocket and 3 buckets of Sharpies Express. And once the weather starts to get bad, we've cleared room in the polytunnel, they can go in there until they're ready to be harvested. Which will probably be a couple of days before Christmas. But as you can see, still loads of fruit on these tomatoes, so it's going to be a while yet until in here is cleared and empty. But they should be okay for a bit. Got these corn on the cobs, they're enough ready for harvest now as well. Start taking them a couple at a time, and then get the lot out, get this bed cleared, and think about our winter crops. Right then guys, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, bye for now.